Second try is good. Sarong to number 24. Gad for jump shot. It's good. To 24. Pass to Gad. Nice pass by number 24 to number 5. Another rebound. It's end one play. For the bonus, it's a 3-point play. Number 26 back to number 3 for 3. It's a fake. Then shoot. Nice 2 points by Nemesis guy number 21. Lays up. It's an all-right. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 20. Abe. Nice jump shot. Back to Bobby. Bobby for the jump shot. No good. Strong rebound by number 5. Plus. Back to his teammate number 5. It's back-to-back. Number 5 blows up. So it's a 3 consecutive by number 5. And a pass big play all along. 2 points for number 22. It's an offensive foul on number 2 to win. Number 21. Number 21 lays up. It's a good 2 points by number 20. Alvin pumps. 85 to number 12. Follow-up by Alvin. 11. Number 85. Shoot using the left hand. It's good. 22. Penetrates, takes, and it's a clean block of Nemesis. Strong rebound by number 45. Banda fakes and pops. Nice 2 by. Here comes number 24. Number 24 dials for 2 to number 26 for 3. Number 12 strong rebound plus a 2 points. First one to number 33. Number 99 to his teammate. Nice alley-oop. Here comes the number 26 for a long 3. 4-2-1. Number 33 for the local play. Shoot, it's a foul plus a basket. Bonus shot. 3-point play to number 5. Oh good, a rebound by Alvin. Alvin takes and shoots. Nice 2. For 3. Nice 3 for number. Pass to number 26 of Spartan. Inshan jump shot. Nothing but a rebound by number 26 of Spartan. Pass to Bandar. Our 3-point king. Nice. Looking for a receiver to number 12. Number 12 penetrates for 2. Number 12 is good. Number 33. Number 5 for the left hand. Nice 2 points. Robbie pass to number 85. Nice pass. Pass to number 3. To number 33. Bobby for 2. Bandar for 3 seconds. Roberto looking for number 26. Pass to Bandar. Bandar fakes. Bandar pass to Roberto. Roberto fakes and shoot. Edmund. It's a 3. Jimmy pass to number 33 for 3. 3 points for number 3. Pass to Edmund. Edmund for 2. A back-to-back shot by Mr. Ed. Winning 11. Number 5. Jump shot is 99 Jimmy. Nice pass by Jimmy. Rebound by number 5. It's an N1 against Jimmy to number 33. Number 33, pass to God. Oh! Pass to his teammate, number 5, the big man. Nice pass to the other. Yushan, turn around and shoot. Nice move. All around 3 points. No good. Rebound by number 12. Nice. 2 for number 2, number 99, Jimmy. Jimmy to his teammate, number 85 to God. Oh, it's not a dunk, but it went. When a rush by number 24, no good. It's a good shot. Good shot. Back to number 85. Last 45 seconds. 45 seconds. Nice pass by Bobby to God. To number 36 for 3. By number 3. Last 10 seconds for the fourth quarter. 21 all alone. 2 points.
One more.